Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from popping up in Startup. What Startup is this? This is about when you just turned on your computer, then these apps will just showing up like that. And you know what? Sometimes it's really annoying. So I'm going to show you how to stop it. Let's go! The first thing to do is to click that window button or start button in the corner and then click settings and wait for it to be opened. Guess what operation system I use? If you see this, I assume that you've already guessed what is my operating system. It's Windows 10. And now let's click apps. And then to find these annoying apps, you can click Startup. And here is the overview of what apps did your system give permission to open up when you just opened your laptop here. And yeah, just what I say, it's annoying, at least for me. Now I'm going to turn off Smadap and Spotify. They really make everything a lot harder, I guess, when I open it. But let's just turn it off. And yes, just go here another time and you can turn them on again, but in this case I'm just going to turn it off. I want it to stop. And now it's done. They are not going to bother you anymore. Thanks for watching. That was the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.